Hey everyone, let's talk about what China is doing with humanoid robots, and it's wild. At CES 2026, a Chinese company called AGIBOT made their US market debut, and they came with receipts. They've already shipped 5,000 humanoid robots. While most companies are still showing prototypes, AGIBOT has actual robots working in real-world operations right now. That's a big deal. Their secret? Something they call one robotic body, free intelligences. They've integrated interaction, manipulation, and locomotion into one unified platform. Basically, one robot that can talk, grab things, and walk around. But here's the bigger story. China has over 150 humanoid robot companies now. That number keeps growing every month. In 2025, China went all in on robot sports. They hosted the world's first humanoid robot games. Robots played soccer, boxing, and martial arts. Hundreds of robots danced at the Spring Festival Gala, China's biggest TV show. There's even a company called Booster Robotics training soccer-playing humanoids using AI. They're competing at RoboCup, a major international tournament. Why the big push? China's workforce is rapidly aging. They need robots to maintain productivity. The government listed robotics as a top priority back in 2015, and now it's paying off. UBTECH, another Chinese firm, delivered over 1,000 Walker S2 humanoids to factories in 2025. These silver-white robots can walk autonomously, grab objects, and move them around. The competition between China and the US in robotics is heating up fast. Both countries see this as crucial for the future economy. Want to compare Chinese robots like AGIBOT and UBTECH with American brands like Boston Dynamics? Head to MyRobot.shop. We're launching soon with the most comprehensive robot database online. Your robot news host, signing off.